First, remove the old earpads. Second, take the plastic clip from the old earpads into the new earpads. Third, align the mounting points of ear cup and earpad. Fourth, align and rotate according to the marked direction. Fifth, check the edge to make sure all the clamps are fixed.